So here we have all of the final prototype parts for the Cellphone SafeBox that have been printed on our 3D printer in our 3D printer room. We're having the production samples made shortly, and we hope to have this out and available, hopefully in about 90 days, maybe less, 60 to 90 days. You're going to love it. Look on the website, you'll get a better idea of what it is. We have a lot more information. This is our 3D printer room. We have two Ultimaker 3D printers, and we print our prototypes with an ABS plastic to get an idea of what they're going to be like before we go ahead and start to place any production orders. It's a process. We make a single part many times before we come to the final production model. But this is it, our 3D printer room.